Got a review today on the SureFire EWP-04 pen. I got this at my local shop for $103 out the door, $102 and change. On SureFire's website, they do have this listed at $130, and typically the out the door price on most online retailers is $117 shipped. So this is the box, how it comes from SureFire. It's made out of high strength aluminum. They use a Easy Flow 9000 ballpoint pen cartridge. I'm really curious to see how that's gonna write. I do have a Precise V5 pen and a Sharpie fine point that I will be comparing it to. I don't have my Cross medium nib fountain pen that I would compare it to this, but I think this will give you a general idea of how the pen will write. It is a unibody. It's a clicker. It's a clicking pen. Not like the Benchmades where you pop off the cap, like the Precise. So it's a clicker, and yeah, it's got a pocket clip as well, and we'll see how what comes in this package. Oh, and just so you know, this is the information on the bottom of the box. SureFire pen. Alright, and how does this come off? So, slides right on out. Set that aside. So, these are, well, you get a little SureFire sticker, and you get the pen. The pen is 5.77 inches, 1.7 ounces, 48 grams. It is made out of aluminum. I'm not sure exactly if it's T60, 61, T6 aircraft grade aluminum, but I'm pretty sure it is. This one is the black pen. So yeah, this is the warranty information and what kind of flow. It's right there, the Easy Flow 9000 cartridge, Parker style cartridges, and it gives you the exact which one to order in case you ever need to replace it. This came with packaging as well. All right, and let's go ahead and look at this pen. And right out of the box, this pen has some weight to it, and it's a good weight. And on SureFire's website, they do have this pen. What is the weight on it? What did I mention? It was 1.7 ounces. It's not very heavy, but it is noticeable in your hand when you write. It feels good in the hand. It's got these. It's got like a triangle. You can't catch that on the grooves, so when you hold it, you get a pretty good hand placement, and the clicker is very, very smooth. You got your SureFire logo. Let's see if that'll focus. Oh, it's not gonna focus. Okay, and there's I guess serial number. Why is it not focusing? There it is. SureFire. The pocket clip. And this is a little comparison that I wrote earlier. How a Sharpie writes, the precision, or the Precise, excuse me, I've been saying it wrong, the Precise V5 and the SureFire. My handwriting isn't the greatest, but I believe this is a medium nib on it, and it seems to write very well. I'll I actually have used a Benchmade pen before, and those wrote really great. They had a space pen refills on them, I believe, so they're pressurized. I don't think this one's pressurized, but that shouldn't be an issue. But this is just a generic overview on the SureFire pen. Now, would I spend $100 on this? Maybe. You know, depends on how much writing you do. If you do a lot of writing throughout the day, it might get heavy in your hand. It's not 100%. I mean, you could probably write with this all day, but at the same time, the weight will probably get to you. It's not as heavy as a Benchmade, that's for sure. They're right around the same weight, but I feel that the Benchmade just weighs a tad bit heavier than this. But I could probably see myself spending the money on this. This is a review for a pen. This was my buddy's, he bought it, so I'm just going ahead and doing an overview, just so in case anyone was interested on how these pens really look. So, thank you.